Hello everyone. Continuing discussing the models of oligopoly, let's proceed further. The second model of oligopoly is Edgeworth model. It was given by F.Y. Edgeworth, who was a French economist. What Edgeworth assumed in his case is that he has said that a duopolist will continue to charge the same price. Duopolist will continue to charge the same price. With this assumption he has taken the example of mineral springs. Okay, two mineral springs example was taken by him. Edgeworth showed that no determinate equilibrium would be achieved in a duopoly. Further, he also assumed that duopolists are the products of duopolists. Products are perfectly homogeneous. The cost conditions of the two duopolists need not to be exactly the same, but must be similar. Cost condition needs to be similar. Cost condition need to be similar. Edgeworth's model can be understood with the help of the below figure. So what we find is that Edgeworth model is like a triangle. Okay, like a triangle, we have Edgeworth's model. So here we are seeing the price, and here we have the quantity. This is the point of origin. This is B dash or B1, and this is B. So here we have the demand curve of Y. Okay, this side we will be seeing the firm Y. On the left side we will be seeing Y, and on the right side we will be seeing the firm X. Okay, so the demand curve of both the things, both the firms is demand curve firm X we have AB, and firm Y we have AB1. That's the demand curve. Okay, so let's write it here for the necessity of space. We have firm this is the demand curve of X and Y respectively. The maximum possible quantity that can be produced by each of these firms, let's assume that it is here. Okay, this is the maximum possible quantity that each of the firm can be producing in a given situation. ओके, एक सिचुएशन में एक फर्म इससे ज़्यादा नहीं प्रोड्यूस कर पाएगी, ऐसा हमारा एग्जाम्पशन है. सो ओके, सो दिस इज द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल क्वांटिटी दैट कैन बी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ईच ऑफ द फर्म्स. ओके, ईच ऑफ द फर्म्स इससे ज़्यादा नहीं प्रोड्यूस कर पाएंगे, ऐसा हम लोग एज्यूम कर रहे हैं. लेट्स गिव इट नेम्स ऑफ Q and Q1. Okay, so max quantity, so the max quantity produced by X we have and by Y we have. So for X it is OQ, and for Y it is OQ1. Okay, each wants to produce and sell his entire output. ओके दोनों फर्म्स ये चाहते हैं कि उनका पूरा आउटपुट बिक जाए. सो एट दिस पॉइंट, okay, at this point it is possible, and this point is, if we name it as, it is P1. Okay, it is P1. So at P1 price, so at P1 price, the entire output of both firms can be sold. Now so the price that will be fixed by the firms would be like OP1. Okay, OP1 would be the price that would be fixed. Now if a firm wants to maximize their profits, okay, if it is assumed that a firm wants to earn maximum profits, then it will raise the price to, let's say, P here. It can raise its price to this particular level. So let's use another color for it. I'll be using purple for it. So it can raise its profits, or the price can be raised till this extent. So it is P. So the price that each, or the quantity that each firm can be selling in order to earn max profits. Okay, max profit earning quantity for firm X would be ON. For Y it is ON1. Okay, ON1. So this is the price, this is the output that they can be selling at OP price. Okay, at OP price they would be selling this particular quantity. Each of the producer will get a maximum profit of ONCP. So this is the point C, and this is the point C1. So in case of firm X, it would be having a profit equivalent to this level. Okay, so this is the profit of firm X. That which I am shading with green is the profit of firm X. So the profit of firm X would be ONCP. Okay, profit of firm X would be ONCP. In the same manner, the profit of firm Y would be the one which is shaded in the lavender color or the light purple color. That is the profit of the firm Y. So the firm Y will be earning the profit equivalent to ON1C1P. That is the profit of firm Y. To start with, if two producers charge the price OP, then X and Y will be selling ON and ON1 level of output. Okay, suppose producer X thinks of revising its pricing policy, that is this firm. Okay, this firm thinks of revising the price policy. X will believe that X will be under the assumption that Y's price remains constant. Okay, अब Y की price constant रहेगी ऐसा assumption करके at OP, okay, OP ही उसकी price रहेगी ऐसा Y firm is not going to change the price. That is the assumption. He realizes that if he sets the price as slightly lower than OP, okay, ये OP से अगर उसने price कम रखी तो वो ज़्यादा बेच सकता है. He can sell his entire output and get a maximum profit. That's what he finds out. So what he does in this case is that he sets a price at a slightly lower level. At a slightly lower level means this level. Okay, यहाँ पे वो अपने price को set करता है, and due to that, due to setting the prices at a slightly lower level, the firm is able to sell his entire profit. Why? Because the ones who are going to buy this Y firm's product, because they have X has reduced its price from P to R, they shift to X products and they are able to earn or X is able to earn a higher amount of profit. So say X now is able to sell his entire output and get a profit equivalent to this level. Okay, ये जो profit है ये वो कमा सकता है. He can earn this amount of profit. This is the profit that he can earn. So in this case, in order to sustain or stay in the business, what Y does is that he also retaliates or he reacts and he reduces his price further. So what happens in this case is Y reduces apna price even further than X. So when Y reduces his price further than X, let's say he sets a price at this level. Okay, he sets the price at this level and this is R1 level. Okay, at R1 Y is able to sell his entire profit. Okay, अब वो क्या कर रहा है कि वो X के भी कस्टमर्स को अपनी तरफ खींच रहा है. As a result, Y will react, and if Y reacts and reduces his price, this price reaction or this cost cutting or price reduction would continue till they both reach a situation wherein they can't reduce their price further, because they will find it difficult. Okay, this will continue, this will continue till both firms realize or arrive at a point. Okay, both firms arrive at a situation wherein they cannot further reduce the price. Such a situation would be gradually. What happens is gradually यहाँ पे prices नीचे आने लगते हैं, but कभी jump नहीं करेंगे. Prices will not be going upward, but they would be going downwards only. Thus, Edgeworth's duopoly solution is one of the perpetual disequilibrium, and price will be constantly oscillating between monopoly price and competitive price. There is no determinant and unique equilibrium of duopoly, which is suggested, which Edgeworth suggests through his duopoly model. So in the next video, we will be continuing, or we will be discussing Chamberlain's duopoly model. So thank you everyone.